Take a ride in the 2017 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, backup camera, remote engine start, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, steering wheel audio controls, dual airbags, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, keyless start, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, climate control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.